Fox Weather correspondent Steve Bender. He is covering the very latest from the UN Climate Change Conference. And Steve, what are political leaders there focusing on this week?
So that's a good question, Jason. Today and tomorrow is when those world leaders will speak for the first time, put their agendas in motion, and talk about how we can get back on track for the Paris Agreement, and then also how we can adapt and move forward in order to kind of mitigate some of this global warming. And so we'll talk about that throughout the morning time. I do want to talk about what you had just mentioned. In Europe, temperatures in the upper 40s, but we had this low pressure that just moved through, and so the wind is starting to pick up as it exits over the UK. And so it feels like it's the lower 40s in Edinburgh. That's where we are, an hour outside of Glasgow, which is where the United Nations Climate Change Conference is being held, or you may hear it as COP26. Now, yesterday afternoon, the World Meteorological Organization, or WMO, released their preliminary report on the global climate. Now, this report kind of gives us a snapshot of all the different climate indicators and sets the tone for the entire conference. So when those world leaders do meet, this is what they're talking about and how we address some of these issues. So here's some of those main points that I combed through when we're looking at that report that really impacted North America and the United States. We had exceptional record-breaking heat waves in North America out west from June and July. Actually, Death Valley reached 130 degrees Fahrenheit this year, and they also had the highest average daily temperature observed on Earth ever on July 11th at 118 degrees, just above that. So for the entire day, that was the average on July 18th. It just shows you just how warm it is. Now, 2015 through this year is set to be the 7 warmest years on record. And so for this year, we're looking at about the 5th to 7th warmest year so far, how we are tracking in 2021. We did have the hottest summer on record, an average for the U.S. Now, this is been a problem because we've been seeing those wildfires out west, and this has fueled some of those major fires as we've been remaining dry and warm. We did get some of those bomb cyclones last week, but before that, it was quite warm. And actually, the Dixie Fire that's in Northern California burned over 960,000 acres. That is the largest single wildfire in California history. Now, the WMO Secretary General talked about these severe weather events in his address yesterday.
We could stop this negative trend in these weather patterns if we are successful to reach carbon neutrality by 2050. That's a very ambitious goal, but there are good scientific reasons to work for that.
And those scientific reasons will be brought to the table today, and those world leaders are expected to address those. Now, President Biden is expected to speak later this morning. He just flew in from the G20 summit in Rome, and so he's getting set to make his speech later on today. He'll release a long-term strategy report for net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050, and then also his emergency plan for adaptation and resilience. This is all expected to unfold, as we had mentioned, later this morning, and we will be standing by to have that report go live here on Fox Weather. But reporting live from Edinburgh, we'll send it back to you.